In this video, I will show you how to use Diffit to create resources for your classes. Enter a topic here. For instance, if I choose that topic, year level, create resources. So this tool will help me to create a reading text with multiple questions on the text itself. So here I've got images on the text. So once that's ready, I can choose any of the text from here, or I can upload a new one. Right, so now this is the reading text. I can change the length of the text. Over here, I can go and look at the sources. So these are the sources. I can edit the sources. If I click over here, I can get rid of any of the sources from here. And there's a short summary. I can change that as well. And these are some keywords, multiple choice questions, and so on. So if I'm happy with that, I'll go and click on that. So this gives me an additional list of activities that I can add to my reading text. So if I click on that list, so there you go. So this is a notice and wonder kind of question. I like these as well because it's quite engaging. So now here you go. You've got some questions on vocabs, reading text, question and answers, and some short answer questions as well. So that's your first feature. The second one is you can import an article or YouTube link. If I click on that, I'm using for my class. So I'll go back here. Yep, so there you go. I'll choose the year level. I'll create a set of activities based on the clip that I would have shown in my class prior to this. So now they would have seen the video. Now I'm creating a reading text on that. So now that's ready to go. Here you go. There's a list of full text is here. I can change the length of that as well. If it's too long, I'll make it shorter. Still keeping the questions. So now the text is a bit shorter. You got a short summary of that, keywords, multiple choice questions. I'll do this again. Now this will give me an indication of how I can change the makeup of my class. So a bit of group work can happen here as well. So students can get into groups and do activities like that. Again, short answer question. So once that's done, the last thing that I can show you is a text or PDF. So if I click over here, and then if I click on that, upload a PDF, repeat the same process again, it will create a whole list of tasks on one PDF doc that I have got. So a quick recap of Diffit. With Diffit, you can create a reading text. You can either use a text or an article, YouTube link, a PDF, or vocabulary text list, and you can create resources on that. So that's all for this. Below, write down which aspect of this tool you like the best. Please like, subscribe, and share these resources with somebody else who could benefit from it. Thank you.